Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I'm looking at speaking with Vic Thapar. Vic is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Vic.
Thank you, Brad, for having me here.
So today I want to talk to you about town growth. So a lot of people have concerns about the size of the town, and what is a sustainable size? How big is the town going to be? Where do you see the town in 5 to 10 years from now?
So, Brad, in my opinion, ideal size of the town should be around 45 to 50,000, and with the catchment like Shelburne, Arthur, these type of areas, it should be around 100 to 140,000. Because what it's going to do is it's going to bring more revenue again to our town. We'll have more retail, right? Like it's going to bring more business to the town, and with the more revenue, we can help our other facilities like health facilities, transportation. That's going to be helped with it, right? So that's what I'm planning to do is bring more industry, bring more retail to the town. More people will come to the town, more business in the town, which will create more jobs, and that's going to help to bring more revenue as well.
Okay, so you're in favor of the town growing large enough to increase revenue?
Yes,
and,
absolutely.
And you said it between
45 to 50,000. Yeah.
50,000. Okay. Well, thank you very much for coming here and addressing that issue with us, Vic. I know the voters appreciate it. And if you'd like to see some more of what Vic has to say, please don't hesitate to take a look at the links below. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.